Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi 13, and today I will show you how you can hard reset your phone through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application, and from here, I'm going to select About Phone, swipe down, and you will find Factory Reset. When you select that, it does give you a list of data that will be removed by this, which includes things like contacts, photos, videos, apps, documents, backups. This one isn't correct, this one also isn't correct, and other items on the device, which would, I guess in this case, include things like music and just downloaded content. So anyway, we're gonna swipe down and you can select Erase All Data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it on the second page. Now on the next one, or once you confirm so, it does give you the option to back up your data if you want to preserve some of these things. Do keep in mind, this is being done to the Xiaomi cloud. So as an example, if you're backing up this, or if you're resetting this device more precisely, because you got a new one and maybe you want to sell this one, if you create such a backup and your new device isn't a Xiaomi, you have no access whatsoever to the Xiaomi cloud. So therefore you won't be able to restore this backup that you have created. So basically what you would be doing at this point is giving access to Xiaomi to all the data, because you're basically uploading it to their computers, and then you don't even have access to it. Fantastic. In this case, I do highly recommend just performing a backup to something like your own computer, doing it manually. It will be much safer, and obviously you're keeping all the data on your computer instead of someone else's. And additionally, it's not defined on what other device you can restore this data to. So you can basically then copy this data over to any kind of other brand of device without any kind of problem. Now, anyway, with that being said, for people that might be picking up a Xiaomi as their second device and they're just swapping to it, then you can create the backup right here and it will work just fine. I'm not planning to back up anything, so I'll just jump straight away to Factory Reset. Now, Xiaomi does consider their user base to be below average in terms of IQ, as it does give you a timer that you need to wait to confirm that you want to reset your device, so you do need to really go through that message. And that's not the only timer, because you have another one. So cumulatively, I think you get like 4 or 5 times a message that basically you will lose all the data on your phone. Are you sure you want to do this? And once you get 20 seconds of your life wasted, you can actually confirm it, and then it will eventually begin the factory resetting process, which does take about 2 minutes on this device or so, probably longer, as this is a relatively slow device. So just let it run through. If it looks like it's stuck, don't worry, it's doing things in the background. Once it's completed doing whatever it was doing, you will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is finally finished, and from here you can set up your phone however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.